So here's another view of my front yard with my lovely dog in the foreground. You got some lemongrass over here growing along the side of the wall, and the stump of a mango tree over there, and some plant that they cut down and eat. I don't know what that is. And the ghost house there. And this is a mango tree with some mangoes that are getting ready to be harvested, although not too many. And then there's some more mangoes on this tree. And these fruits, I don't know what they're called, but they're very delicious. My wife just told me these aren't quite ready yet. They look ready to me, but I don't know. And then over there is the remnants of the very large mango tree that we had that got blown down in a windstorm. We lost most of this banana tree. Actually, this was a big banana tree, and that mango tree, and a few others. I guess it's been 2 years now in a very strong windstorm. But we've got a few fruit trees left that are finally producing some fruit.